happy to call here Maria Korepanova, our friend from Udmurtia. And she's a folk singer of Udmurtian and Vesterma songs. And we are very happy that you are also a doctoral student in Estonian Academy of Music and Theatre. And I'm happy to give you the floor. And you said you sing Udmurtian and another Vesterma song.
We'll see.
Thank you.
Good evening, dear friends, everybody, and I'm happy to present some more Vestermans and song, very beautiful, very lovely for me, Krish. And first, Krish, I will demonstrate, I will sing. Vesterman song.
Je